How to see who saved your Instagram post. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about if we can see who saved our Instagram post or not. So first thing what you can do is there is no any option to directly view who viewed your Instagram post or who saved your Instagram post. But what you can find is just head over to your settings inside of your Instagram application from over here by clicking on this hamburger icon at the top right corner just like this, and make sure you have enabled your account to converted your account to business account. So in that way you will be able to view the insights of your post instead of personal account, so which you cannot view on the personal account. If you haven't already, you can just easily convert your account type from over here to business account as well. So once you have set your account to your business type, just click on any of the post and just click on this view inside button over here, and you can see how many people has liked or saved your post. But you cannot directly view who saved your Instagram post because that is not allowed as a privacy option, so as it doesn't follow the community guideline from the Instagram itself. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.